my God. Look at that dirt on my jet ski. Dirt. What am I actually going to do about dirt on my jet ski? Oh my oh, of course I'm going to have to run on the internet and ask everybody how to clean a jet ski. Oh no, wait a minute. I'm sounding like some Generation Z moron. No, I know what to do. Get a bucket. Get some water. Get some soap. Oh my God, it's actually working. A bucket, soap, and water. And I didn't have to get 400 people on Facebook to tell me what to do. I'm going to have to go on Facebook now and tell everybody.